In this video, I will show you how to set up Windows 11 on your HP Pavilion 16. Here on the first page, we're going to have to select the right country or region from the list and then click Yes to confirm. After that, we're going to have to select the right keyboard layout or input method from the following list and click Yes. If you want to add 2 or more keyboard layouts, still click Yes and then click Add Layout on the following page to add another layout, and then proceed. And at some point, you're going to have to click Skip. Then you're going to have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. If you need to install a Wi-Fi driver, unfortunately, I have already done this in the previous video, which was how to install Windows 11 from USB. So you can check out the previous video. But basically, you're going to have to download it from the drivers and software websites of HP, basically on HP support website. So once you're ready to connect to your network, just click Connect next to it and then enter the password for it. Then click Next. Then you're going to have to click Next once again. And then wait until your device checks for available updates. And after your device restarts, you're going to have to either rename your device if you want to do this right now. To do that, enter the new name of your device into this field and press Next. Then your laptop will restart once again. Otherwise, you can click Skip for now and do it later in Settings. And right now, we're going to have to wait until this laptop finds and downloads all the Windows updates. And it's going to take a while, probably around half an hour, maybe even more, depending on your Wi-Fi speed. But basically, I just recommend keeping your device connected to the power source and just leaving it for a while until it finishes downloading all the software updates. And once the updates are finished, we're going to have to sign into our Microsoft account. So let's click Sign In, then enter the email address of your Microsoft account or a phone number of your Microsoft account into the first field. And then press Enter. Then we're going to have to either sign in by entering the code that we received on our email, or if you want to use your password, click Use Your Password instead and enter it into the following field. Press Enter once again. And wait for a moment. If you want to set up Face ID or Windows Hello, whatever you call it, right now, you can click Yes Setup. If you want to do it later in Settings, just skip this step for now. Then let's create a PIN code by tapping the Create PIN option. And then let's enter the PIN code into the first field, confirm it in the second one, click OK. And then let's choose some privacy settings for our device. To enable or disable some privacy settings, just switch the toggle to the left if you want to disagree, to the right if you want to agree. So here we have location, which will get us experiences like directions, weather, news, etc. Find My Device feature will let us locate our device in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data will send info about this laptop's usage to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing will do the same thing, but with the data of your keyboard usage. Tell experiences will personalize ads for you. So once you're content with your choice, click Accept and proceed to the following step. Then if you want to restore your device from the backup, if you want to restore your Windows from the backup, then click Continue. Otherwise, click More Options, then click Setup as a new PC, and then Setup as a new PC again. Then let's wait for a moment, and we still have some settings to go through. On the following page, we can select the presets we want to use for our Windows. We can do this later in settings, and I highly recommend you doing that later in settings, because these presets will not basically change anything for you pretty much, but you can learn about them later and just skip this step for now. But if you want to, you can just hit the checkbox as next to the options that you like and click Accept. Then if you want to link your phone and your PC, select your operational system right here. So basically select your device type, either an Android or an iPhone, and then proceed by clicking Continue and going through the following steps. Otherwise, click Skip and do it later in settings. Then if you want to back up your the photos from your smartphone, scan this QR code that you see on the screen and click Next to proceed. Otherwise, let's skip this step too and do it later in settings. Now, if you want to synchronize your browsing data in Microsoft Edge web browser with your previous Windows accounts, click Accept. Otherwise, click Not Now. And then we get an ad for Microsoft. Let's decline it. Let's decline the following one. Then, if you want to set up your email for marketing, I think for advertisements, then switch this toggle to the right. If not, switch it to the left and click Next. And then we get the last ad for Microsoft, which we can skip. And after a couple of seconds, the setup will be finished. And so at this point, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 from USB on your HP Pavilion 16. To do that, you're going to need to prepare a USB flash drive like this. It can be USB 3.0, 2.0, doesn't really matter, though I recommend using 3.0 for better file transmission speed. And we're also going to need a separate device that has an internet connection, because we're going to need to download a Windows image and the program to boot it onto our USB flash drive. And we're also going to need to download and install the Wi-Fi drivers so that we can connect our laptop to the Wi-Fi afterwards and install all the required software. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is turn on this PC by short pressing the power button once. And after short pressing the power button, we're going to have to start repeatedly pressing F10 button while our device is starting in order to enter the BIOS menu. Now, once we are in the BIOS menu, we're gonna have to check our laptop's serial number, which is located right here on the dashboard. So here we have the serial number of the laptop. You can take a photo of it if you're planning to leave this menu. We're gonna need it to install the proper Wi-Fi driver, and also use left and right arrow keys to navigate between these tabs. Navigate to the boot options, and here check your secure boot. Now, if your secure boot has disabled status, that's great, because sometimes BIOS might recognize Windows ISO image as a potential malware, and we want it to not do that. But if you have enabled secure boot, you can optionally scroll down to it using a down arrow key, press enter and change it to disabled from enabled, then press enter and then F10 to save and exit. And this way we will make sure that our device gets booted from USB just fine, but it's optional. So your PC might not even recognize your USB flash drive as a potential threat, and so your secure boot may stay enabled. But if it's if your PC doesn't boot from USB, then change this option to disabled and then try again. So right now let's switch to another PC, and so let's download the Windows 11 ISO image, and let's also download the software we're gonna need to use in the process. So on the other computer, let's open the web browser and let's first search for Windows 11 ISO download. Find the official Microsoft.com website that says download Windows 11 and open it. Then scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image for x64 devices. And here we're gonna have to select Windows 11, then click confirm, and then wait for a couple of seconds until your request is validated. Then you're gonna have to select the product language. This will be the system language of your Windows. So select it from this list and then click confirm. And then once again, wait until your request is validated and you'll see the 64-bit download icon right here. Click it. This will start the installation or the download process. Now we're gonna have to return to the web browser and download the RAFS software, which we're gonna need to create a bootable USB flash drive out of our regular one so that we can run Windows installation file on it. So find RAFS, find rafs.ie website and open it. Scroll down to downloads section and then select the latest RAFS version from here. Wait until it's downloaded. It's gonna take a couple of seconds and then try to run it, because if it doesn't run, then you're gonna have to, if you see this window, basically that means that this program runs on your PC, but if it refuses to run, then download this x86 version and it will run just fine. Okay, and right now we're also gonna need to download the Wi-Fi driver. So let's search for HP drivers and software, or HP support. Let's just search for HP support. Okay, let's open support.hp.com website. I want to change the language. Just quickly. In your case, you're probably not gonna have to do this. Okay, here select software and drivers. Then select laptop and then enter the serial number that you can see in your laptop's BIOS menu in here. So in my case, it will be CMD 41417G6. Okay, and once you have entered the serial number, press enter. Select your operational system version. So first of all, select your operational system here, then select the version. The version doesn't really matter. We can go with just Windows 11 and then click submit. Then scroll down to driver dash network and expand this menu. And here we are looking for Realtek driver, or if your device has an Intel processor, then look for Intel wireless LAN drivers. So, but if you have AMD, then select this one, click download next to it. Okay, and I can see that the Windows 11 ISO file is also downloaded. So let's run our RAFS program. And right now, let's select our USB flash drive in here. If you have some important files on it, back them up on this computer or elsewhere before you do that, because your USB flash drive will be formatted in a moment. Then click select and select your Windows 11 ISO image. And then click start. You don't have to change anything here. Just click start. Make sure that everything looks the same on your computer. Then you don't have to check any checkboxes here. So if you have some checked and uncheck them, we're not going to need any additional settings. And then we're going to have to wait for the pop-up to appear on the screen and click OK to confirm. Okay. And right now we're just going to have to wait until the status bar says ready. And in the meantime, let's download, or let's install our driver. Let's unpack our driver, I would rather say. So let's run the setup file, then click next, then accept the terms in the license agreement and click next once again. Then select the folder where you want to save your files. And I recommend changing it since I'm not going to be looking here. Let's just select some unused folder. In my case, it's music folder. So let's right click the music folder and let's select new folder and let's create a folder named driver and select the driver folder, then OK. And the directory will be looking like this. So let's click next, finish. Okay, and right now we can open this music folder with driver on it. Okay, and here is our driver. So right now what we're gonna have to do is wait until the Rufus finishes its thing. So basically right now we just have to wait. Okay, and once the status bar says ready, we can close the Rufus window and the finishing touches. Let's grab this driver folder. Let's cut it out of the music folder in my case, and let's paste it to our USB flash drive, just next to all the rest of the files. Okay, and right now we can safely eject our USB flash drive from the computer and switch to our laptop. So if you need to save changes in here, press F10 and then enter. If you just want to exit, press escape and then enter. And this will make your laptop restart. And while your device is booting up, we're gonna have to press F9 button repeatedly in order to enter the boot menu. And here in the boot menu, we're gonna have to select our USB flash drive on the list, press enter, and wait until the Windows installation screen appears. Okay, so here we can select time and currency format. If you want to change it, just expand this list and select the one that you need. You cannot change the language to install since we've already have chosen on it during the download. Then if you want to change keyboard or input method right now, you can do this by expanding this list and selecting a different one. Then click next, then select install Windows 11. Hit the checkbox next to I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. Then click next again. And then we're gonna have to accept the license terms. So just click accept once you've read them. And then we're gonna have to do some working with disks. So if you have well, you're most probably gonna have some partitions in here, and we're gonna need to delete them. To do that, select each partition you see on this list, each deletable, and delete it by selecting delete partition option right here. So right now we are left with 476.9 gigabytes of total size of unallocated space. Now you may have more, you may have less, depending on your SSD size. And we also have two partitions. Now these partitions are your USB flash drive, so they are not important. What is important is unallocated space. So if you want to just have one disk on your computer, you can select this unallocated space and click next to proceed with the installation process. If you want to have separate disks like disk C, disk D, disk E, etc., then you're going to have to select unallocated space, then click create partition. And then the first partition that you will create, I recommend it being the system disk, so the C disk. And for the C disk, I recommend using at least 100,000 megabytes in size. So here we have the size field. It says basically the entire unallocated space that we have here. So if you want to create a system disk, I recommend using 100 to 150,000 megabytes. For it, I'm gonna go with 150,000. Then click apply. And this will create not one but three different partitions. And the third one is our system disk. So as you can see, we have 146 gigabytes for our third partition, and so this amount of size will go to our system disk. And we still have 330 gigabytes of unallocated space. So let's create a separate disk out of it. Select unallocated space, then click create partition. Then you can either create several partitions by changing this size in megabytes in here and creating one partition with 100 gigabytes and the other one with 230 gigabytes, or basically adjust it however you want. But I'm just gonna use the rest of the unallocated space for the separate disk. So I'm just gonna select this size and click apply. And this will leave us with no unallocated space left, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So let's just select partition 3 right now, which will be our system partition, and then click next, and then click install, and then wait until the Windows 11 is installed. Right now, just make sure that your device is being powered all the time. So make sure to not unplug your device from the power supply, and wait until the installation is finished. Okay, and once the installation process is finished, the only thing we have to do is install the Wi-Fi driver. So right now, let's select the right country or region on this list, and then click yes to confirm. And on the following screen, we're gonna have to select the right keyboard layout for our PC, and then click yes to confirm. If you want to add a second keyboard layout right now, click add layout and proceed by adding a second keyboard layout. Otherwise, click skip, and then select install driver here. Then select your USB flash drive. Then select driver folder. Do not open it, just select it. And then click select folder. Make sure that you have driver in here. And then wait until the driver is installed. Now it's gonna take less than a minute. Okay, and so right now no Wi-Fi networks are found, but in a moment we will see the available Wi-Fi networks that you can connect to. And at this point, the Windows installation is completed, so you can proceed with the setup. If you need some guidance during the setup process, you can check out the other video on our channel that will explain everything to you step by step. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Windows 11 on your HP Pavilion 16 without a Microsoft account. Let's go through the initial steps. Basically, we can select anything here. Since we're not gonna need it, we're gonna have to set it up again afterwards. So let's just click yes, yes, and then skip. Then if you can connect to a Wi-Fi network, do not do it right now. Instead, we're gonna have to enter the CMD window on our laptop, and to do that, you're gonna have to press the combination of the left shift button and F10. So press shift and F10 Simultaneously, this will open a CMD window. Now click on it to switch to it, and here input the following command: OOBE / bypass and RO. And once you have entered this command, press enter and wait until your device is restarted. And in the meantime, I just want to mention that if you have already connected to the Wi-Fi network, that's not a problem at all. You can still either turn off the router that you are connected to, or just reach the place where the signal of your Wi-Fi router is unreachable by your PC, and then perform the steps that I just shown you in the video. Okay, so right now we're gonna have to actually select the right country or region from the list. So once you select it, click yes, and after that we're gonna have to select the right keyboard layout for our laptop. Once you have selected it, click yes. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, click add layout right here. Otherwise, click skip. And next, on the following page, select I don't have internet option. Then you can right now we have to enter the username for our device. So this will be our username. Press enter to continue. Then we can enter the password in here and click next. But if you don't want to do it right now, you can click next right away and then set up a password afterwards. Then choose some privacy settings for your device. So here we have the location, which lets us get experiences like weather, news, and routes, directions, etc. Find my device feature, which lets you find your laptop in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data, which collects data about your device's usage and sends it to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing, which basically does the same thing but with your keyboard usage. So it sends data about your keyboard usage to Microsoft tailored experiences. It's basically personalized ads. So if you want to disable some of these privacy choices, just switch the toggle to the left next to them and then click accept once you're ready. And after that, we just have to wait for maybe a couple of minutes until the setup is finished. And at this point, the setup is finished. So right now you can connect to the internet right from the control center of your device. So yeah, before that, we're gonna have to install the network drivers. But at this point, the setup is basically finished. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To turn on the Wi-Fi on your laptop, you're gonna have to click these three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar, and then click the Wi-Fi icon to turn it on. Once it turns the blue color, that means that your Wi-Fi adapter is active, and if you click the arrow icon next to it, you will see the list of available networks that you can connect to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to right-click on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. Since your laptop's touchpad doesn't have any physical keys, or at least visible physical keys on it, in order to perform a right-click, you either have to press the touchpad in the bottom right corner of it, like this, or just tap it with two fingers in any place of your touchpad. And this will also perform the right-click function. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the energy saver on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To turn off the energy saver on your laptop, first you're going to have to right-click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to Power and Sleep settings. Then here, scroll down to Energy Saver option, expand this menu, and to disable it manually, just switch the toggle to the left. If you want to disable your energy saver forever, expand this list and select Never. This way, the energy saver will not turn on under any circumstances. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To turn on the Bluetooth, you just have to open the control center in the bottom right corner of your device's desktop, and then click on the Bluetooth icon and make it turn the blue color. Once it turns the blue color, that indicates that your Bluetooth is enabled, and now you can see the list of available devices if you click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth. Alternatively, we can go to the Start menu, open Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices on the sidebar, and enable Bluetooth right here by switching this toggle to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to put your HP Pavilion 16 laptop on a lock screen. So the normal way to put your device on a lock screen is by going to the Start menu, opening Power Options, and selecting Lock. Alternatively, you can use a shortcut to do this, and the shortcut is Windows L. So press these two buttons simultaneously, and this will also put your device on the lock screen. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the battery level on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First, you have to open the control center of your laptop, and here you will see the battery icon with the current battery level of your device. If you click on this icon, you'll also be able to see your device's current battery level, and besides, beneath it, sometimes if your device isn't charged fully or isn't charging, you will see the info about the time that's left before your device is fully charged or fully discharged. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To turn off your laptop, go to the Start menu, then open the Power Options and select Shutdown. And in a moment, your device will turn off. But if your device is frozen and you cannot access the Start menu, you can press and hold the power button instead, which is located right here, and hold it down until the power indicator on the power button goes off. When it does, that means that your device is fully shut down. And that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To turn on your laptop, you just have to locate the power icon, the power button on your keyboard right here, and short press it to make the indicator start glowing on the power icon. If it does, then in a moment your device will start, and if it didn't, then make sure that your device is being powered, because your laptop might simply be discharged, but after a moment your device will start, and we'll see the sign in screen. And at this point, the device is turned on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the display brightness on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To adjust the brightness, you can either open the control center on your desktop right here, and then move this slider either to the right to increase your brightness level or to the left to decrease it. Alternatively, you can use the function keys. And the function keys to adjust your display brightness are both F2 and F3. F2 will decrease your brightness level and F3 will increase it. If these buttons do not function by themselves, then press and hold down the Fn button and then press either F2 to decrease your brightness or F3 to increase it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To connect to Wi-Fi, first click these three icons on your taskbar to open the control center. Then make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled, and if it's not, then click this icon to make your Wi-Fi icon turn the blue color. Then click the arrow icon next to it and select a network from the list, the one that you want to connect to. If you want to connect to it automatically, make sure to hit this checkbox and then click connect. Then enter the password to it into the following field and click next. Then wait until your laptop is connected to this network. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to toggle web camera on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Here in Settings, we're gonna have to go to Bluetooth and Devices on the sidebar, then find Cameras, and then select your HP camera in Connected Cameras. And here, in order to disable it, click Disable, then click Yes, and to re-enable it, click Enable. And that's basically it. Now, don't forget that your camera also has a security shutter at the top of it that is switched manually. So you can close your camera by sliding it to the left, or open it by sliding it to the right. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rotate screen on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To rotate the screen of your laptop, first we're going to have to open the Start menu and go to Settings. Here in Settings, we're going to have to go to System, then go to Display, and in Display menu, scroll down to Display Orientation option. Expand the list of available orientations and select the one that you need. After that, you're going to have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them by selecting the respective option. So let's keep changes. And now to rotate the screen back, we're going to have to expand this list once again and select Landscape, and then keep changes. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restart your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To restart your laptop in a regular way, you just have to open the Start menu, then go to Power Options, and then select Restart, and wait until your device is restarted. But if in case your device is frozen and you cannot do this in a regular way, we can force restart our laptop And to do that, we're just gonna have to press and hold the power button on the keyboard until the power indicator next to it goes off. And once it does, we can release the power button, then wait for about 5 seconds and press the power button once again, this time just for a moment. And then wait until the HP logo appears on your screen. After a moment, your device will boot back into system. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to toggle your keyboard backlight on HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To toggle keyboard backlight, we have to use the F4 function key right here. This function key will switch between turning our keyboard backlight on and off, and also adjusting the brightness of it. So you just have to press this button by itself to adjust your keyboard backlight. And if this key doesn't work by itself, you just have to press and hold F1 button and press F4 along with it. And that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to put applications on full screen on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To put an application on full screen, you're just going to have to either double-click the top bar of the window, then double-click it again to demaximize the window. Otherwise, click the square icon in the top right corner of the window and then click it again to demaximize it. Or grab the top bar and drag the window to the top of your screen. Then release it, and this will put your device or your window on a full screen. Then you can drag it down to demaximize it. Alternatively, you can press F11 button on your keyboard, and this will also enable the full screen mode, though it looks kind of different from what we've seen before. And then pressing F11 once again will demaximize your window. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will tell you whether the HP Pavilion 16 laptop is good for gaming. So the general answer is no, since this device might be good for playing some older titles because it has an integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics integrated into it, basically integrated into its processor, but it's still not a discrete graphics card, so you can expect good performance in some older titles or some indie titles, or maybe a mid-range performance in some newer titles, but still it is not enough for comfortable gaming performance. So yeah, this laptop is not designed for gaming, and it's rather will not match your expectations. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To enter BIOS on your laptop, you're gonna need to power off your laptop completely. And once your device is powered off, you're going to have to short press the power button once. Once you see the power indicators glowing on your power button, start repeatedly pressing F10 button until you enter BIOS. Here in BIOS, you can use left and right arrow keys to navigate between tabs, up and down to navigate between options, enter if you want to change the value, and then escape if you want to exit without changes, F10 if you want to save changes and exit, and F9 if you want to restore defaults. And to confirm, press enter. So I'm just gonna press escape to exit and then enter to confirm. And that's how you access BIOS on this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change touchpad sensitivity on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To change the touchpad sensitivity on your laptop, you're going to have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then in Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices on the sidebar, and then scroll down to the touchpad option and open it. Then here you can change the touchpad scrolling sensitivity by adjusting this value, moving the slider to either right to increase your touchpad scrolling sensitivity or to the left to decrease it. The default value in this menu on this laptop was 4. And if you want to change the tab sensitivity, then go expand the tabs menu, and here expand this list and select the tab sensitivity that you feel comfortable with. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on your HP Pavilion 16. First of all, power your device off completely, and while it's turned off, you're gonna have to short press the power button right here, and after pressing the power button, start repeatedly pressing F9 button until you see the notification in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will indicate that your device is entering the boot menu. Here you can navigate using up and down arrow keys. Enter to confirm, escape to exit, F10 to enter BIOS menu. Right now I only have the Windows option to enter my system and UEFI file, which I don't have. So let me just select Windows, and this will boot me into Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the temperature of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To check your laptop's temperature, you're just gonna have to right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, select the second tab on the left side of your computer, which is Performance. And here you'll be able to check your laptop's temperature right next to GPU info. Well, the GPU is integrated into your CPU, so it's basically your central processor unit's temperature, which is the main hidden element of your laptop. And this temperature right here is the temperature of your device. Sometimes this temperature might show might be shown next to your CPU info right here, but in my case it's right here next to GPU. And so that's how you check your laptop's temperature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes using the web camera of your HP Pavilion 16 laptops. First of all, you're gonna have to open the Start menu on your laptop, then go to All Applications list and find your camera in here. Let camera access your microphone and your camera, of course. You don't have to let it use your precise location. Right now, you're gonna have to prepare your QR code. For example, I have it on my smartphone here, and then click the QR code icon on the sidebar of your camera, and then face your QR code to your laptop's camera, and you will see the link or text or anything at the bottom of the camera app. In my case, it's link leading us to MSINFO website. And if I click on it, I'll be immediately transferred to this website. And so that's how you scan QR codes using the web camera of your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the serial number of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First of all, we're going to need to power this device off completely. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Power Options and select Shutdown. And then wait until your device is powered off. When it's powered off, the power indicator on your power button will go off. And when it happens, we're going to need to short press the power button to turn the device back on, and then start repeatedly pressing F10 button until BIOS menu appears on the laptop screen. Here in the BIOS menu, you'll be able to find the serial number of your laptop in this field. And this is the serial number of the laptop. Besides, we can also check the product number in here if you need it. And so that's basically it. To exit this menu, press Escape and Enter. And that's how you check the serial number of your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Energy Saver to improve battery life on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To enable energy saving on your laptop, you have to right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, then select Power and Sleep Settings, and then go to Energy Saver and switch the toggle to the right next to Always Use Energy Saver if you want to enable this feature manually. But if you wanted to turn on automatically at some battery level of your device, just select this level from this list, or select Always if you want battery saver to be enabled once your device is unplugged from the power supply. And if you want energy saver if you don't want energy saver to dim your screen while it's working, then switch this toggle to the left. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use applications in split screen mode on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. If you want to split your laptop screen between two different apps, you just have to grab the top bar of one of the windows and then drag it to one of the sides of your laptop, and then select the other application that you want to put on your screen. Then you'll be able to change the size of each window by dragging this invisible bar between them. If you want to place 3 or more different applications on your screen, you have to grab the top bar of the window and drag it to the top of the screen, and then select the position for your window from one of the available positions we have right here. So for example, if we want to put 3 different apps on the screen, let's select this position for the browser, and let's put the File Explorer right here and the Recycle bin right here. And then once again, we'll be able to resize each window by dragging the invisible bars between them. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. We can adjust the sound volume in 2 ways. The first one is opening the control center in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then we can move this slider either to the left to decrease the sound volume level or to the right to increase it. You can also click the speaker icon to mute or unmute your speakers. And we can also use the shortcuts instead Now, the shortcuts are the function keys, basically, so we can use F7 button to increase the sound volume or F6 to decrease it, and F5 to mute or unmute our speakers. And if these buttons do not work by themselves, you're gonna have to hold down the FN button and then press each of these buttons along with FN button. But by default, in default configuration, you just have to press them by themselves. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to keep your HP Pavilion 16 laptop from going to sleep. First of all, right-click the battery icon on your taskbar, go to Power and Sleep Settings, and here scroll down to Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeout. Expand this menu, and now if you want to prevent your device from going to sleep automatically, change Make My Device Sleep After option from recommended value, which is 5 minutes in plugged in mode and 3 minutes in on battery mode, to never. This way your device will basically never go to sleep, even if you don't use it. And besides, you can also select any other value from this list if you just want to expand the time before your device goes to sleep automatically. If you don't want to turn, if you don't want your screen to turn off automatically, then change this value to never, or to any other value you see right here. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check graphics card on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To check the graphics card of your laptop, we're gonna have to go to the Start menu, then go to Settings, then go to System on the sidebar and scroll all the way down to About section. Here in the About section, check the graphics card menu. Well, as you can see, there is no precise name for your graphics card, since there is no discrete graphics card in your computer. It is integrated into your processor, which is, in my case, AMD Ryzen 7. And so, yeah, so this AMD graphics are integrated into the processor. And the other way that we can check our GPU along with the resource usage graph is by right-clicking the taskbar, going to Task Manager, and then opening the Performance section. And here we're gonna have to select GPU on the sidebar. And here we can check all the specifications related to our graphics card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to toggle touchpad on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So to turn the touchpad on or off, we're gonna have to open Settings on our device. But if you don't have an external mouse and you cannot access Settings using your mouse pointer, we can still do it using the keyboard of our device. To do that, first open the Start menu by pressing the Windows button on your keyboard, then press Tab button to go to Pinned Applications. Navigate through them using your arrow keys, and then press Enter once you have Settings highlighted. Then press Tab button 2 more times and scroll down using down arrow key to Bluetooth and devices. Then press Enter and press Tab button 5 more times until you select Devices option. Then scroll down to Touchpad using arrow keys once again. Press Enter, and here you'll be able to enable or disable touchpad by pressing the space bar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change date and time on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To change date and time on your laptop, you just have to right-click the date time icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Adjust Date and Time. Here, disable Set Time Automatically feature to set time manually, and then click Change. And here you'll be able to change your both date, like this, then click OK to apply, and time in the very same way. Then click Change, and your new time and date will be set on your PC. However, be aware that this change may affect your network stability, so many websites will become unavailable after you change your date and time because they require your date and time to be correct, so you will not be able to use many online services after that. So I recommend just setting time and date automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update Windows on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To update your Windows, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. So check your control center and see if you are connected. Then go to the Start menu, open Settings, and in Settings, select Windows Update tab. Here, click Check for Updates and let your device check for available updates. Additionally, you can go to Advanced Options in here and then find Optional Updates. Here you will find both optional Windows updates and also driver updates, which are very important. So I recommend selecting the driver updates by hitting the checkbox next to them and clicking Download and Install. Now, these Windows updates are optional, so it's totally up to you whether or not you want to install them. But generally speaking, once your device detects an update, it will automatically start to download and install it. And once the update is installed, sometimes you're going to need to restart your computer, and you'll be notified about it on this page if you do. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to run diagnostics on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First of all, power your device on by short pressing the power button, and then start repeatedly pressing F2 button while your device is starting. And at some point, the UEFI diagnostics menu will appear on your screen. Here you can navigate using up and down arrow keys and select the hardware element you want to test by pressing Enter, then select the test type you want to perform, or the diagnostics type you want to perform, and then wait until the test is finished. And after a test, you'll see the results along with the PES ID. And so that's basically it. Some of the tests are interactive, so they will require you to interfere during the tests, and you'll be provided with the instructions for it. And whenever you want to exit this menu, just select the Exit option and press Enter, then select Yes and Confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change device name on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To change the device name of your laptop, first you're going to have to open the Start menu and then go to Settings. Here in the settings menu, we're gonna have to select System and then scroll all the way down to About section. In the About section, click Rename this PC next to your device name right here. And then enter the new name using letters, hyphens, and numbers, and do not use space bars because it will not accept space bars. So for example, we can name our device and then click Next to confirm. And to apply changes, we're also going to need to restart the laptop. However, we don't need to do this now. We can restart the laptop later, but I'm going to click Restart now to show you the change. Okay, so enter your PIN code. And let's go back to the Start menu, Settings, and here on the home page, we'll be able to spot our new device name. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the specifications of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First of all, let's open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then open System menu on the sidebar and scroll down to About section. Here you'll find your device's specifications, your hardware, and your system specifications. If you right-click your taskbar and select Task Manager, then go to Performance tab on the sidebar, you'll be able to check each of your hardware, your hardware element with specifications related to it and the resource consuming in real time. Besides, you can also press the combination of Windows R buttons on your keyboard. So Windows and R, and then enter MSINFO command into the in this field. Then click OK, and here you'll find all the specifications related to your system. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To install Google Chrome on your laptop, first we're gonna need to open a web browser. Default one will be the Microsoft Edge. Then let's open the search engine, any of your preference, and let's search for Google Chrome. And once you find the Google official website with Google Chrome, open it. Scroll down until you spot this button which says Download Chrome. Just click on it. Once the setup file is downloaded, start it, then click Yes. Then wait until the browser is downloaded and installed. Everything will be done automatically. And once the browser is installed, it will instantly open on your PC, and here we'll be able to choose whether we want to sign in or don't want to sign in. Then if you want to set Chrome as your default browser, click right here. Otherwise, just click Skip. And right now you are ready to use your Google Chrome web browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to boot your HP Pavilion 16 from USB flash drive. First of all, you're going to have to make sure that the bootable USB device is connected to your laptop, and then make sure that it's turned off. And while it's turned off, short press the power button to power it on. And while it's turning on, start repeatedly pressing F9 button until you see the notification in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will indicate that you are entering the boot menu. Here, select your USB flash drive using up and down arrow keys to navigate, and enter to select your hard drive, generic storage device, which is our USB flash drive. In your case, it may be named differently. Once you selected it, just wait until your until your PC switches to your USB flash drive, and let's see if that happens. Okay, and so in my case, it's Windows 11 setup screen. Since I have Windows 11 ISO on this USB flash drive, I'm not gonna install it though right now, so I'm just gonna close this window and then click yes, and my laptop will restart and get me back to Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mute or unmute microphone on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First way to mute your microphone is by pressing the F8 button on your keyboard. If you press F8 button and you see the red indicator light next to it, that means that your microphone is currently muted. To unmute it, press F8 button again. The alternative way to mute or unmute your microphone is by going to the Start menu, then to Settings, then go to System on the sidebar, and then select Sound. Then here, we're gonna have to go to our input, select your microphone. By default, it's the microphone array. And to mute your microphone, just click this icon right here. To unmute it, click it once again. These two options are interchangeable, so you can either mute your microphone right here and unmute it by pressing F8 button, or do the opposite. Now, alternatively, you can also disallow the microphone usage for the applications on your computer by clicking Don't Allow right here. And then to allow using your microphone, click on this icon again. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty status of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To check the warranty on your laptop, you're gonna have to open HP Support Assistant application on it. To do that, you're gonna have to go to Start menu, open All Applications list, and then find HP Support Assistant in here. It's a pre-installed official firmware, so you should be able to find it here. But if you don't have it on your computer, you can easily install it just from the internet, from the official HP website. So just enter your web browser and search for HP Support Assistant. You'll find the official support.hp.com webpage with HP Support Assistant. Just open it, then click Download HP Support Assistant 9, and then run the exe file to install this application. Then you're just gonna have to open the application once it's installed. Click Continue as guest. We don't need to sign into no accounts. And then here you'll be able to check your warranty status right on the dashboard. If you click on Warranty, you'll see what coverage type you have or used to have, the service type, status, start date, end date, and all other kinds of information. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make your fans work all the time on HP Pavilion 16 laptop. In order to enable this feature, first we're gonna need to turn this laptop off. So let's go to Power Options and select Shut Down. And then we're gonna need to enter BIOS right after the laptop goes off. So when you see the power indicator stopping to glow on the power button, we're going to have to short press the power button and then repeatedly press F10 button until device enters BIOS menu. Here in the BIOS menu, use left and right arrow keys to navigate between tabs, and this way go to Configuration tab and use down arrow key to scroll down to Fan Always On and change the value next to this option to Enabled. And from now on, the fans will be working all the time on your laptop, which may help you cool your device down if it's overheated. Now press F10 and enter to save this save changes and exit. And whenever you want to disable your fans, you just have to go to the BIOS menu and basically do the opposite. So change the fan mode to fan always on mode to disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. In order to pair your Bluetooth device with your laptop, first you're going to have to enable this feature. So open the control center and make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, and if it's not, then click on the Bluetooth icon, then click the arrow icon next to your Bluetooth, and then you're going to have to put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. So in order to put your device into pairing mode, usually you're going to have to locate some sort of the power button either on the device itself or on its case, and hold it down for about 5 seconds until your device starts throbbing. Now this is not a universal method, so your device might have a different way to enter the pairing mode, but basically if you need to know how to enter the pairing mode on your device, you should check the manual to it. Then you're going to have to select your device from the list. And once it says connected, that means that your device is successfully paired with your laptop. Now, if you want to disconnect it, just click on your device once again and click disconnect. And if you want to unpair your device, you have to go to More Bluetooth Settings, then tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your Bluetooth device and select Remove Device. And this way, you will unpair your Bluetooth device from your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up or disable Face Unlock on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So the first thing that you have to do is open your security shutter to let your camera see you, and then open the Start menu on your laptop, then go to Settings. Here in Settings, we're going to have to go to Accounts section, and then scroll down to Sign In Options. Then select Facial Recognition, and then click Setup next to Use Your Face to sign into Windows option, and then click Get Started to proceed. Enter your PIN code to confirm that it is you, and then just center your face in the camera and make sure that your face is not too bright, and just look directly at your camera for about 10 seconds until your face is registered. Then you can unlock your device using your face by simply entering the sign-in screen, and on the sign-in screen we're going to have to select Sign-in Options, select the smiling face icon, and then look at our device camera. And if you want to disable this feature, you're just going to have to return to the Sign-in Options menu and select Remove next to Remove this Sign-in option. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to limit charging to save battery on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So at the very beginning, I just want to briefly mention that there is no such specific setting that will let you directly limit your battery charging, but there is a very similar technology to the ones that we have in the most modern smartphones that let us enable adaptive battery saving, which will basically just regulate your device's battery temperature and charging speed in order for it to serve you longer. And in order to enable this feature, we're going to have to first turn off the computer. So let's go to the Start menu, then open the power options and select Shutdown. Then we're going to have to wait until the device is turned off. And once you see that the power indicator on your power button goes off, we can short press the power button once and then start repeatedly pressing F10 until we enter the BIOS menu. Now, in the BIOS menu, we're going to need to use left and right arrow keys to navigate between tabs. This way, navigate to Configuration tab, then find Adaptive Battery Optimizer here and navigate down to it using down arrow key and enable it by pressing Enter and changing the value to enabled and Enter again. Then press F10 to save changes and exit and Enter to confirm. And that's how you enable this feature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the model name of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So the exact model name of your laptop is written on the back side of your laptop. So if you turn it around and look at the back side of your computer, you'll be able to spot your device's model name. However, it's hardly visible because it's gray on gray, but it's HP Pavilion laptop 16-AG0070WM. And it's located right beneath serial number and product ID. Besides, we can also locate the model name directly in Windows. To do that, we're gonna have to either press the combination of Windows and R buttons simultaneously, or instead we can also go to the Start menu and search for the Run application and then open it. And here we're gonna have to input MSINFO 32, press Enter. And here we'll be able to find the system model name, which is, as I mentioned before, HP Pavilion 16-AG0, and then we had other characters on the backside, but that's the most precise model name that you can get through your Windows. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your HP Pavilion 16 laptop to a monitor. To connect your laptop to an external monitor, you're going to need to use an HDMI type cable with either HDMI on both sides, or if your monitor doesn't support HDMI connection type, then you're going to have to use an adapter on the other side to match the port of your wireless monitor. The first thing that you're going to need to do is power your monitor on. So make sure that it's plugged into the power source before you connect it with your laptop, and then just locate the HDMI port on the right edge of your laptop and insert one of the ends of the HDMI cable into it, and then the other end of the HDMI cable will go into your external monitor. And then all you're going to have to do is change the projection type on your laptop. To do that, simply press the combination of Windows and P keys simultaneously. And after that, select one of the available projection types. So we have duplicate, which will basically copy the screen of will display the screen of our laptop on the external monitor. Use the extend option if you want to use your monitor as the second display for your laptop. And the second screen only option will fade the image on your original monitor and will transfer it to the external one. And PC screen only will disable projection. And so yeah, that's basically how you connect your laptop to a monitor. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the battery health on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To check the battery health of your laptop, we're gonna need to use a utility that should be pre-installed on your laptop, which is called HP Support Assistant. I have it here on the desktop. But if you don't have it on your laptop, if it's not pre-installed application, which you can easily check in Start menu by going to All Applications list and searching for the H letter and eventually this application. So if you don't have it, you can download it from the official HP Support website. So just Google for HP Support Assistant, you will easily find this app and then download it on your PC. Now, once you open it, click Continue as Guest, and then select Battery, and then select Run Battery Check. And then wait for about, I don't know, half a minute until the test is performed. And after the test, you will see just the general information, so normal, which is not what we're looking for. So click Show Advanced Information right here, and here you'll be able to find all the information related to your device's battery, like the cycle count, like the current temperature, and what's most important is full charge capacity and remaining capacity. And as you can see, the current capacity of the battery is 90% of the original one, and the original one is 59 watts an hour. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop, if you have access to your physical keyboard, you can press the combination of Control, Windows, and O buttons. If you press 3 of these buttons at the same time, you will turn on the on-screen magnifier, the on-screen keyboard. And this keyboard can be adjusted. We can move it along the screen. We can resize it. We can reshape it by dragging its sides and corners. It has a numpad. It has a regular keyboard. And if you do not have access to your physical keyboard, you can open the same keyboard by going to the Start menu, then Settings, then Accessibility on the sidebar, then scroll down to Interaction. Here you'll find Keyboard. Open the Keyboard section and switch the toggle to the right next to On-Screen Keyboard. And this will turn on the same keyboard. However, there is a second option. If you don't want to go to your device's settings each time you want to enable the on-screen keyboard, we can use the alternative by going to Personalization on the sidebar and scrolling down to Taskbar. Find the Touch Keyboard feature in here and change the value next to it from When no keyboard attached to Always. And this will enable the Touch Keyboard on your taskbar. And now every time you click on this keyboard icon, it will enable an on-screen keyboard that is fully usable. We cannot resize it or reshape it, but we can use it pretty much in the very same way. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to send files from your smartphone to your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. The easiest way to do this is by using the free web service called pairdrop.net, which we're going to have to open first on our laptop. So let's open the web browser and let's search for pairdrop.net website. Just enter this address into your address field and then click the link icon in the top right corner of this website to link your smartphone and your laptop. Now you're gonna have to either open the same website on your smartphone and enter the code you see on your screen on your smartphone on this website, or you can just scan this QR code using your smartphone's web camera and tap on the link appearing on your screen, and this will link your devices immediately. Now on your smartphone, you will see your the icon of your laptop, though it may take a moment. Now let me just do the same thing once again, because I encountered some sort of a lag. Okay, so tap on your laptop's icon, then select the file that you want to send, and then tap OK to send it on your smartphone, and then accept the file on your laptop. Click Accept, and then wait until the file is downloaded. And here it is. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable portable hotspot on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To enable the hotspot on your laptop, first you're going to have to click these three icons on your taskbar to open the control center. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or using a LAN cable if you have a hub or an adapter for a LAN cable. Then navigate to the right side of the control center and click the down arrow icon to go to the next page. Here you'll be able to find mobile hotspot. Just click this icon to activate it, and right now your mobile hotspot is active. And if you want to adjust it, right click this icon and select go to settings. Then here you'll be able to, of course, turn it on or off by switching this toggle. Choose the way you want to share your network or your internet, so either via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Just select the respective option, and you can also enable power saving mode or disable it. The power saving mode will basically disable your mobile hotspot after some time of inactivity. And in properties, you can change the name, the password, and the band of your network. To do that, click Edit, and then here you can change the name of your hotspot. Here you can change the password, and here you can choose the band. By default, any available is selected, but if you prefer 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz connections, you can select one of these two instead. Then click Save, and here we can also use this QR code to quickly connect to this mobile hotspot using the camera of another device. And at the bottom, we can see the list of devices connected to our mobile hotspot. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a controller to your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First, you're gonna have to make sure that your controller is charged enough, and to connect your controller, you're gonna have to put it into pairing mode. Now, if you're using a DualSense controller, so a PS5 controller like this, in order to put it into pairing mode, you're gonna have to press and hold the PS button and the create button at the same time until the lights of your controller start throbbing like this. Then you're gonna have to go to the control center on your laptop. It's located right here. Just click on one of these three icons. Make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled, and then click the arrow icon next to it, to your Bluetooth icon, and then select DualSense controller from the list. And once it says connected, that means that your controller is successfully connected to your laptop. Now, if you are using an Xbox controller, which I unfortunately don't have around, in order to connect it to your computer, you're gonna have to press the Xbox button that is located right here to turn it on. Once it's turned on, you're gonna have to press and hold the pair button that is located in this spot. So just hold it down, the lights of your controller will start throbbing, and then you will either receive a notification in the bottom right corner of your laptop saying that the Xbox controller is trying to connect to your PC. If you just click on this notification, your device will start pairing with your controller. And if not, you can still go to the Bluetooth menu and find your Xbox controller in here and click connect next to it. Now, if you want to disconnect your controller from your device, you're gonna have to go to more Bluetooth settings and tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your controller, and then select remove device. And this will disconnect your controller from your laptop. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will tell you how many RAM slots your HP Pavilion 16 laptop has. So the quick and simple answer to this question is 0. Simply because the RAM memory in this device is unupgradable, and this means that it doesn't have any RAM slots. It doesn't accept any RAM sticks. Let me just show you what I mean. Let's go to the task manager and let's open performance section. Here we can find memory, and as you can see, we have four slots used. But these are not the RAM slots, these are the chip slots in your motherboard. And the form factor says other, but it's actually, it actually means the row of chips. So this laptop uses 4 chips of RAM memory, each with 2 GB of RAM memory, which equals 8 GB. By the way, the 16 GB version would be a much better decision. So if you are only planning to buy yourself this PC, then first of all, you should know that the RAM memory in this device is unupgradable, and you cannot go higher than the pre-installed RAM memory, since it's integrated in your device's motherboard rather than a separate discrete RAM slot. Therefore, you should get yourself a 16 GB version, because as you can see, 8 GB consumes more than a half, gets consumed by more than a half of its capacity simply with the operational system running on this laptop. So yeah, the simple answer, as I said, is 0. There are no RAM slots in this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change wallpaper on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To change wallpaper on your laptop, you just have to right-click the desktop in any empty space, then select Personalize, then go to Background, and here select one of the 4 available options for your background. For example, if you select Picture, you'll be able to set a single photo on the background of your device, you can either use one of the pre-installed Windows photos, or you can choose a photo from your File Explorer by clicking Browse Photos and selecting a photo from here. And you can also adjust the fit for your desktop image by selecting one of the values in this list. The next option is solid color, which lets you set a solid color as the background of your device. So just select the color from here or use a custom color by clicking View Colors and selecting one color from here. Alternatively, we can also use a slideshow of photos to select a folder with photos for a slideshow. Click Browse and select one folder from your File Explorer. Here you can also change the frequency of picture changing. You can enable or disable shuffle in picture order, and you can enable running the slideshow when your laptop works on battery power by switching this toggle to the right. And at the bottom, you can also choose a fit for your desktop image in this list. And the last option we have here is Windows Spotlight. And if you select Windows Spotlight, this will basically put a random image made by Microsoft, or not made by Microsoft, but random image from Microsoft database that will change every once in a while. And you can manually change it if you right-click your desktop and select Next Background. And this way you can switch between various backgrounds for your laptop. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your HP Pavilion 16 laptop to your TV. To connect your TV and your laptop, you're going to need to use an HDMI cable like this one with HDMI endings on both sides. And the HDMI port on your laptop is located on the right edge of your device. So there goes one side of the cable, and the other one goes into your TV. Now your TV must have probably has like several HDMI ports on it, and they're all located on the back side of your TV, reachable either from the right or the left side depending on your TV model. And all you have to do is just insert the other side of the HDMI cable into one of the HDMI ports, and then we're gonna have to change the projection type on our laptop. To do that, press Windows and P buttons at the same time. This will open the projection menu on your laptop. And now here you're gonna have to select one of the three options: either duplicate if you want to duplicate image from your laptop to your TV, or extend if you want to use a TV like as a second monitor, or second screen only if you want to turn off the display of your laptop and only display the image on your TV instead. PC screen only option will disable the projection. But once you select one of these projection types, you're going to have to press the sources or input button on your remote control, on the remote control to your TV, of course. This input or sources button, it looks like a TV with an arrow inside of it. So just press this button and then select the HDMI port where you plugged in your laptop to, and from now on you'll be able to use your TV as a monitor for your HP laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore account's PIN on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To restore the PIN code to your Windows account, you're gonna have to select I forgot my PIN option on the sign-in screen. If you don't see I forgot my PIN option right here, then try entering PIN code several times. If your attempts aren't correct, you will eventually see this option right here. Just click I forgot my PIN, and then you're gonna have to either sign into your Microsoft account, or if you have a local account set up on your device, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself. And after answering one of these questions, you'll be able to set up a new PIN code for your device. Now, if you don't remember the answer to the security questions, the only solution to this issue will be performing a factory reset operation by reinstalling the Windows on your laptop, and yeah, it will result in erasing all data from your PC. However, you will eventually regain access to your computer. And if you need some guidance on how to reinstall Windows from USB, we have a separate video on this topic on our channel. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you see this window in front of you, then here you're gonna have to click send code and then check the email that you see right here and check the last message you got from Microsoft. There you will see your single-use code. Just enter this code that you received into this field and press enter. And after that, click continue and enter the new PIN code on the following window. Enter it into the first field and make sure that you remember it this time, and then confirm it in the second field. Then click OK, and in a moment the access will be regained, and you will see your desktop once again. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to record screen on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To record the screen of your laptop, you're gonna have to use the combination of Windows, Shift, and R buttons simultaneously. So just press them all together, and this will open the recording toolbar at the top of your display. Alternatively, you can press print screen button located right next to your F12 button, and then select recording mode in here. And after that, to start recording, we're gonna need to choose whether we want to record a selected area or the entire window. So here, expand this list and select either rectangular selection or window. In my case, I'm gonna select rectangle, and then using this crosshair, select an area of your screen that you want to record. At this point, your toolbar will switch to this one. Here we can start the recording by clicking right here. We can mute the microphone, clicking this icon, and we can unmute the microphone, clicking this icon, and we can mute system audio by clicking this one. Let's click start, then let a snipping tool access your microphone, even if you're not using it. And now everything that happens within this selected area will be shown on the recording. So now we can pause the recording by clicking pause icon, then resume it at any moment by clicking the play icon. We can stop and save the recording by pressing this red square icon, or we can delete the recording without saving by clicking the trash bin icon. So let's stop the recording, and in the following window we'll be able to check out our entire recording and also trim it if you'd like. You can also edit the recording in Clipchamp by selecting this option right here. And if you want to find your recording in files, go to your File Explorer, go to Videos folder, then go to Screen Recordings, and here it is. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To check the manufacturing date of your laptop, we're gonna have to open the Start menu, then power it off by going to Power Options and selecting Shutdown. Then wait until your device is powered off. When your device is powered off, you will see no light on the power indicator that is located right on your power button. At this point, you're going to have to turn your device on and then start repeatedly pressing F10 button until your device enters BIOS menu. Here in the BIOS menu, we'll be able to see the serial number of this laptop right here. And now we're going to need to take a look at the 4th, 5th, and the 6th digits of the serial number, and they will indicate the manufacturing date of the laptop. So the last digit we have here is the last digit of the year. The fourth digit we have here is the last digit of the year when this laptop was manufactured, which in my case is 4. That means that this laptop was manufactured in 2024. And the following two digits are 1 and 4, and this is the number of the week in this year when this laptop was manufactured. So this laptop was manufactured in 14th week of 2024, and the 14th week of 2024 is the beginning of the April in 2024. So it's the first week of the April in 2024, and that's the manufacturing date of this laptop. You can also check your primary battery serial number and get the close number to your manufacturing date. However, not as it's not as precise as the number that you can get from the serial number. But as you can see, the battery for this laptop was manufactured 1.5 month before the laptop. So yeah, it was manufactured on February 18th, 2024. And to exit the device menu, press Escape and Enter. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to charge your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To charge your laptop properly, make sure that your charging cable is connected to one of the USB Type-C ports on the right edge of your laptop. Both of them will charge your laptop well, and the powering indicator is located in between them. So when your laptop is being charged properly, it will be glowing the white color or maybe orange if your device is low on battery. The main thing is to use the proper AC adapter with your laptop. This is the original one and has a lot of info about it, but the only thing that interests us really is the amount of power capacity of this AC adapter, and as you can see, it's 65 watts. So even if you're not using an original AC adapter, you're gonna need to get yourself a 65 watts of power at AC adapter. So you're gonna have to look for an adapter that can provide your device with at least 65 watts an hour, because your device has I suppose around 50 watts battery inside it, and also other hardware elements that need powering. And therefore, if you get yourself an AC adapter with lower power capacity, then it will most probably result in your device discharging slower rather than charging. And of course, make sure to plug in the other side of the cable into your outlets. And if your device isn't being charged properly, you'll most probably get notified about it in settings. Basically right here on the taskbar, you will see some sort of yellow triangle saying that your charger is slow. But right now the device is being charged properly. And that's pretty much everything I can tell you about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First, open the Start menu on your laptop and go to Settings. Here in Settings, select Accounts on the sidebar, and then scroll down to Other Users. Click Add Account next to Other Users, next to Add Other User option. And then if you want to add another user with their Microsoft account, you're going to have to provide their Microsoft account data or create their Microsoft account using I don't have this person sign in information icon. But if you want to create a user locally, you still want to have you still will have to go to I don't have this person sign in information, and after that, instead of creating a Microsoft account for them, click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Then name this user in the first field. Create a password for them. And then add 3 security questions for password recovery reasons. So once you have selected 3 security questions, give answers to them in the respective fields. And once you're done, click Next, and their account will be created. Now to switch to their account, you're going to have to go to the Start menu, then click on your accounts icon, then tap the 3-dot icon in the top row corner or top right corner of this window and select their account. And this will redirect you to the sign-in page, which will later lead you to their account. Now, to remove their account, you're going to have to go to the same menu, expand their accounts menu, and then select Remove. Then click Delete Account and Data to confirm, and wait until their account is removed from the list. And this will remove their account from your Windows. Now, before you can do that, you're going to have to sign out of their account. So make sure to sign out of their account before you remove their account from the list. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use function keys on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. The function keys of your laptop are located in the top row of your device's keyboard, and they have 2 types of functions, the primary and the secondary ones. And by default, in default configuration of your laptop, the secondary functions are actually they actually go first, and these functions are exclusive to your laptop. So these functions basically perform the actions that these icons on your buttons stand for. And in order you want to use the primary functions of your function keys, you either have to press function key and press each button with F1 key. And so the primary, what I mean by primary features, the primary features are basically work the same on each keyboard, but they perform different actions in different applications. But for most applications, the F1 button will the F1 button will open the help menu, the F5 will refresh or reload the page, the F11 will open a full screen mode, and F12 will, for example, open developer tools in browser. Now, if you want to change this layout, so if you want to use primary functions first, then you're going to have to change this setting in BIOS. But let's talk about secondary features. So the secondary features for your function keys are the following. So the F1 button will open the emoji menu on your screen. The F2 is used to decrease your device's screen brightness. The F3 increases your display brightness, and the F4 changes or enables or disables keyboard backlight. The F5 is used to mute your speaker, and if you see the indicator glowing in the top right corner of this key, that means that your speaker is muted. The F6 is for decreasing system volume. F7 is for increasing it. F8 will mute your microphone, and as you can see, it also has an indicator that shows when your device's microphone is muted. The F9 will switch to the previous media. The F10 is used to play or pause the media. The F11 will switch to the following media, and the F12 is meant to open HP Support Assistant application, if I'm not mistaken, or other HP firmware on your laptop. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your HP Pavilion 16. To take a screenshot, you can use one of the following ways. So the first way to take a screenshot is by pressing the print screen button, which goes right after F12 button on your keyboard. And then you will open this toolbar for the screenshot taking. Otherwise, you can also use the combination of 3 keys, Windows, Shift, and S. So press Windows, Shift, and S simultaneously to open this toolbar. And make sure that you have the snip option selected with the camera facing you. So this option, and then select one of the 4 available modes for the screenshot. The first one is the rectangular screenshot. In order to take a rectangular screenshot, you're going to have to select an area of your screen with this crosshair. And once you made the selection, the screenshot will be taken immediately. If you want to edit the screenshot in the process, you're going to have to highlight this icon and then select an area. This will let you change your selection by dragging the sides and the corners of it, and also use different quick tools to edit your screenshot in real time before taking it. And click capture, and the screenshot will be taken and then saved into the screenshots folder in your file explorer. To find it, go to the file explorer, go to pictures folder, and then open screenshots. And let's sort the screenshots by date. And the last 2 screenshots that we took are these ones. So let's go to the following screenshot modes. Here, the next one we have is a window screenshot. And to take a window screenshot, we're just going to have to click on a window that we want to take a screenshot of. And that screenshot will look somewhat like this. And the following option is full screen screenshot. And if you click full screen right here, the screenshot will be taken immediately, and it's basically the screenshot of your entire screen at the moment. And the last option that we have is the freeform screenshot. And to take a freeform screenshot, you're going to have to basically draw any shape around the elements that you want to take a screenshot of, just like this. And once you've made a selection, the screenshot will be taken and it will look somewhat like this. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First of all, let me open a Notepad application to show you how to operate with text on this laptop. So let's enter some sample text in here. And now, in order to copy it, you're going to have to select the text or part of the text, and then either right-click and select copy to copy, or right-click and select cut if you want to cut out the part of the text. And if you want to paste it, right-click and select paste. Otherwise, we can also select the text and click Control C, combination of keys. So let me show it to you. Control C to copy, Control X to cut it out, and Control V to paste it. And you can also use the clipboard if you want to paste if you want to have a clipboard for several clips of text or different parts of the text. And to enable the clipboard, you're going to have to press Windows V combination of keys. And then in this window, select Turn On to turn on the clipboard. Then you can copy different parts of the text. And then by pressing Windows V, you'll be able to choose which one you want to paste. And then just click on the one that you want to paste. And it will be pasted. And that's basically how we do it with text. Now let me show you how to work with files and folders. Let's go to File Explorer and let's open Videos folder, for example. Here in Screen Recordings folder, we have one file, a screen recording that we made, now to copy it from here, you can either select it and then click Copy, or if you want to cut it out, you can use Cut icon. To paste it, click Paste. So for example, and of course the shortcuts also apply, so we can use Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X and then go to a different directory and paste it using Ctrl+V, and then if we return to screen recordings, we will not find this file here because it was transferred here. But if we copy this file and paste it into the screen recordings folder, now we'll have two files, so one in the videos folder and one in screen recordings folder. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the TDP of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To find out the TDP of the laptop, we're going to need to first find out what processor we have in it. To do that, we have to simply open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then here in Settings, open System on the sidebar and scroll down to About section. Here in the About section, we'll be able to find the name of the processor. So here we have AMD Ryzen 7 with 780M graphics. So let's open a web browser and let's simply search for this processor to find the specifications page. So let's search AMD Ryzen 7 8840U. And let's find the official AMD.com website, where we'll find the specifications of this processor. And here let's search for TDP. So default TDP is 28 watts for this processor, and that's the answer to this video. However, if you want to check precisely, we can use the software, free software, which is called CPU Z. So search for CPU Z, find the website called cpuid.com/softwares, open it. And once you open this website, click Setup right here to download the setup file. Then click Download Now. Wait until this file is downloaded, then run it on your computer. Click Yes. At this point, we can close the web browser, accept the license agreement, then click Next. Then if you want to change the destination location, click Browse and change it. Otherwise, just click Next. Next, if you want a desktop icon, you can check this checkbox or leave it checked. Click Next, Install, and then Finish. And once this application is installed, just open it, click Yes, wait until it's loaded. Right now it's reading the info about our device. And as you can see, the max TDP is 20 watts. So it's actually lower than it was shown on the official AMD page. Probably a laptop limitation. But yeah, here we can find out the exact TDP for this laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use zoom in on the display of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To zoom your laptop screen, you're going to have to use the combination of Windows button combined with plus button. So just press them both at the same time, and this will immediately zoom your device's screen. Now, after zooming your screen, you'll be able to adjust magnifier settings using minus and plus icons to change the zoom level. The next two icons will reset the zoom level. The play icon will start reading text from your device's screen, and this icon will let you choose from which place you want to start reading.
Reset.
Now, the gear icon will open quick settings menu where you can adjust the speed of the magnifier and also choose the voice of the reader. You can access more settings by either clicking Go to Settings here, or instead we can go to the Start menu, open Settings, open Accessibility on the sidebar, find Magnifier, and open this menu. Here we can also enable or disable the magnifier. We can adjust the zoom level and the zoom increment in here. And most importantly, we can change the view of the magnifier by expanding this list and selecting one of the three available views. So as you can see, we have docked magnifier, full screen magnifier, and lens magnifier. And each of them has different settings. For example, and to access the settings, we're going to have to open the view menu, and here we'll be able to find all of them. So for docked magnifier, we can enable or disable mouse pointer following, keyboard focus following, text cursor following, and narrator cursor following. And now if we change the docked magnifier to full screen magnifier, we'll be able not only to change the following settings, but also the keeping the settings of keeping the mouse pointer and the text cursor on the screen. So we can keep the mouse pointer or the text cursor either within the edges of the screen, which looks like this, or centered on the screen, which looks like this. And now if we switch to lens magnifier, we'll be able to change its height and also its length to adjust its size to our needs. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up OneDrive backup on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First of all, let's open Start menu and go to Settings. Here in Settings, select Accounts on the sidebar. And then to adjust backup settings, let's go to Windows Backup. And here we're going to have to make some changes to make the laptop sync our folders, app list, and preferences. To make the device sync our folders, we're going to have to click Setup Sync In next to OneDrive Folder Sync In, and then switch the toggle to the right next to the folders that we want to sync, and click Save Changes. Then we can close this window, and in a moment the folders will be syncing and the files from OneDrive will be shown in the respective folders on our PC in the File Explorer. Next, we're going to have to verify our identity by clicking verify right here. Once you click verify, you're gonna have to select your email address. You'll receive a code instantly on your email address that is linked with your Microsoft account. Just check out your email and enter the code that you received into this field. Enter the code from your email. Press enter. And then wait a moment. And now let's click Manage next to sync your Microsoft account with Windows. Click Yes, Sync, then click Done. And then let's reopen this menu. And as you can see, Remember My Apps options and Remember My Preferences were switched on. However, we can adjust the preferences we want to synchronize and back up in this menu. And if you don't want your Windows backup to remember your apps or your preferences, you can just switch one of these toggles to the left. Then in the home menu of your settings, scroll down to PC backup. Then you can adjust the backup by selecting what you want to back up from folders, apps, settings, credentials, and then click Continue. And in a moment, your PC will be backed up. So right now we just have to wait until the backup is finished. This will upload all the files from this laptop to OneDrive Cloud. Okay, and right now the backup is completed. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to get the cursor back on your laptop's screen in case your touchpad stopped working on HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So first of all, we're gonna have to check whether the touchpad is disabled or enabled in settings. And to do that, press Windows button to open the Start menu, then press Tab button to go to Pinned Applications list and navigate through them using arrow keys. Then press Enter once you highlighted settings. Then press Tab 2 more times. Once you highlighted Home, use down arrow key to navigate down to Bluetooth and devices. And press Enter, then press Tab button 5 more times until you have the devices option highlighted. Then scroll down using down arrow key to the touchpad menu and press Enter to open this menu. And here, enable your touchpad by pressing spacebar. If your touchpad still isn't working, then instead what we can do is press Windows button to open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Once you find it, press Enter to open it, then press Tab to highlight your desktop something, then scroll down to Human Interface Devices option on the list and press right arrow key to expand this menu. Here we're gonna have to find I2C HID device. Highlight it, then press Enter, then press Tab several more times until you highlight the General tab in here. Then press the right arrow key to switch to Driver. Then press Tab button several times until you have Disable Device option selected and press Enter. Then press left arrow key to select Yes and click Enter again. Then press Enter to re-enable your touchpad and check if it started working. And if not, then press Tab button one more time to select Uninstall Device. Press Enter, Enter again. And so right now your touchpad will stop working until you restart your computer, which you can do by pressing Alt F4 twice. So we have to press Alt F4 on the desktop. So first close all the windows you have opened using Alt F4 combination of keys. And then once you see this window, press down arrow key to select restart, and then press enter to restart your computer. Then wait until your device is restarted. And after the restart, your touchpad should start working again. And if it didn't start working, then at this point, this must be some sort of a hardware issue. And in such case, you're going to have to contact HP customer support service and tell them about this problem. And maybe they will guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, or maybe you're gonna have to get your laptop repaired. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your HP Pavilion 16 laptop isn't turning on. If your laptop is not turning on, make sure that it's charged enough. So plug in the charging cable into your device, and on the right edge of your laptop, right next to the ending of your USB Type-C cable, you will see the power indicator. If it's glowing orange, that means that your laptop is discharged. But generally speaking, even if it's discharged and you see the orange color, you should be still able to turn it on simply by short pressing the power button. Your laptop starts turning on when the powering indicator starts glowing white color next to your power button. And if it's not, then check your charging cable for any visible damage. Check if all the connections, so the one from the outlet going to the AC adapter of your laptop is firmly seated. Then also check whether or not your the other side of the cable is firmly seated into your outlets. If everything looks well, then your laptop should be able to turn on, maybe after a couple of minutes of charging. And besides, check your AC adapter. If you're not using the original HP AC adapter that looks like this, then at least check if your adapter provides your device with enough power. So the original HP adapter has 65 watts of power capacity, and that's the minimum required to charge your laptop properly, because the AC adapters with lower capacity will simply not charge your device enough to power on, or basically they will be discharging your device slower. Also, make sure to use an AC adapter from a reputable source, a reputable distributor. Do not use cheap AC adapters, as they drain your battery and basically make it live less. And if your device isn't turning on still, maybe it was exposed to either extremely hot or extremely cold temperatures. If this happened to your device, then leave it to rest for up to 12 hours, depending on how cold or how hot the conditions were that it was exposed to. And then plug in the charging cable and let your device charge, and try turning it on again. And if your laptop still doesn't want to turn on, that maybe your battery's capacity is simply drained. Maybe your battery is simply drained, and in such case, you're gonna have to contact HP customer support service, or just order a new battery for your device if you know how to replace a battery. If you don't, if you're not an expert at this, then it's better if you just bring your laptop to the repair center and let them replace the battery in your laptop. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So, to perform factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your device, you're gonna have to go to the Start menu, then open Settings, then in Settings select System, and after that scroll down to Recovery option, Now here in the recovery option, we're gonna have to select Reset PC option next to Reset this PC. Then if you want to reset only your apps and settings, select Keep Your File. This will not be a factory reset. It's more of a settings reset, but if you only need to reset your device's settings, go with the first option. If you want to perform a full reset, go with the second one. Then you can select either local reinstall, or if you are connected to the Wi-Fi network, you can select cloud download, which will download you a fresh Windows copy from the internet and will install it on your PC. So if you think that your files are corrupted, if you suspect that your system files are corrupted, then go with the cloud download option. Otherwise, you can select local reinstall for faster Windows reinstallation. Then click Change Settings here to adjust more settings. And first setting we can change is cleaning the data. If we set it to no, it will simply remove our files, which is quicker but less secure. And if you switch it to yes, it will wipe the drive completely, which will take longer, but will make it harder to recover your files after Windows reinstallation. So I recommend going with the second option in order to, if you suspect that you have some kind of malware on your PC, or if you are preparing your device for reselling, then definitely go with the second option, even though it takes a longer time. Now, if you have several drives installed on your device, so if you have, for example, disk C and disk D in your PC menu in the File Explorer, then you can choose whether you only want to wipe this the system drive by switching this toggle to the left, or if you want to erase data from all drives. To do that, switch this toggle to the right. And this download Windows option is basically a selection between local reinstall if you select no, and cloud reinstall if you select yes. So just select your, make all the choices accordingly to your preferences, and then click confirm, then next. Then wait for a moment, probably half a minute, and then click reset. And after you click reset, the factory reset process will begin. So right now we just have to wait until the preparation is complete. Then the Windows will start the factory reset process, and in the end we'll be able to see the region selection menu in the so the first screen of the setup menu, basically. So right now let's just wait and make sure that your device is being powered all the time. So make sure to plug in the charging cable during this process. And right now the factory reset operation is finished. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your HP Pavilion 16 laptop as a monitor for another PC. So the only way we can do this is wirelessly. Both of your devices must have some sort of Wi-Fi connection, and they both must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and the faster the network speed is, the better. Now, all you have to do is make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and then go to the Start menu, go to Settings on your HP Pavilion, and then select System on the sidebar and scroll down to Optional Features. Here in Optional Features, click View Features, click Yes, then click See Available Features and search for Wireless Display feature. And once you find it, you're going to have to hit the checkbox next to it and click Add. I won't find it here since I have already added it, but basically you just have to hit the checkbox next to Wireless feature and then click Add, and then it will be added to your features list. However, the downloading of this feature will take a while, like maybe 15 minutes up to half an hour. And once you have edited, go to System once again, and then scroll down to Project into this PC option. Now open this menu, and here change the first value from always off to either available everywhere or available everywhere on secure networks if you are using a secure network. Then ask to project this PC. We can select any value here. It doesn't really matter. So anything that suits you better. Pin code, you can set up the pin code if you'd like. And then if you want your PC to be discovered, even if it's unplugged from the power source, then just switch this toggle to the left. And that's basically all the preparation we need. And now let's switch to another PC. And in order to start projecting the display of this laptop to our HP device, we're gonna have to press the combination of Windows and K buttons. This will open the casting window on our laptop, and the laptop will start looking for wireless displays nearby in the same that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So right now we're gonna have to wait until the display is discovered. Now sometimes there might be some issues with some Wi-Fi networks. If your Wi-Fi network is, for example, 5 GHz, uses 5 GHz band, then you will not, most probably will not be able to cast your laptop screen to another laptop, since they mostly work on 2.4 GHz bands. But anyway, let's just wait until this laptop discovers our HP. And once you see your laptop on the list, select it. Then you will receive the notification on your HP laptop. Now select OK to start streaming the display of another device, and then just wait for the streaming to begin. Okay, and so right now we can see the display of our Dell laptop on our HP, and we can control what we see on our HP using our Dell laptop. So we can basically open different windows in here. We can play some videos. However, the quality of the video streaming, the media streaming, depends on your network speed. And now to stop streaming, you can either go to the top right corner of this window on your HP and close this window, or you can stop casting on your other laptop by pressing Windows K combination of keys and then selecting disconnect. Besides, you can also adjust the projection type. For example, you can select extend, and this way you will basically extend your monitor to your Dell's, in this case, monitor to HP. Or you can select second screen only, which will disable the display on our Dell, and it will instead transfer the display to our HP. And so, as I said before, if we select disconnect, I think we cannot do this on our HP, but yeah, basically if we select disconnect, the projection will stop. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways of how you can enter the recovery mode, but before we go there, I just want to show you how you can access your recovery keys for recovery mode. Because in recovery mode, you might accidentally trigger BitLocker, and we cannot prevent this from happening. However, we can be aware and we can be prepared for that by knowing where to find our recovery keys so that our device doesn't get fully locked by a BitLocker. And in order to find your recovery keys, if you have access to your system on your HP laptop, you can easily do it from there. But otherwise, you can switch to another PC and open a web browser on it, or it can be any other device. Basically, it can be your smartphone, it can be a tablet, anything. All we have to get is a device with an internet connection. So on this other device, we're gonna have to go to the Microsoft website, which we can reach by entering aka.ms/myrecoverykey. So this address is the address to my recovery key, recovery keys web page. Just enter it into your path field, and then we're gonna have to sign into our Microsoft account. To do that first, this has to be the same Microsoft account which is linked with your HP laptop. So enter your email address or phone number in the first field and click next. And then let's receive a code on our email. So click send code option, and then let's open our email. Check our email that is linked with this Microsoft account, and there you will find a single-use code in your last received message. Check this code and enter it into this field. Then if you want to stay signed in, click yes, otherwise click no, it doesn't really matter. And then wait until this page is loaded. And on this page, you'll be able to spot the entire table with BitLocker recovery keys. The recovery keys are located in the middle column. And as you can see, we have the other parameters of this for these recovery keys. So you can locate the recovery key relevant for your PC by checking the device name, if you do know your device name, your laptop's device name, or you can check the key upload date, which is the day when you set up your Windows for the last time, when you set a link to your Windows account with your laptop, basically. But if you don't know any of this, don't worry. The main key we need to focus, the main column that we need to focus on is the key ID, which will only be shown when our device gets locked by a BitLocker in recovery mode. So just in case your device gets locked by BitLocker, just check the recovery key, which will 100% be shown on your screen, and find the recovery key matching your key ID and enter it into the respective field of the BitLocker screen. And this will basically unlock the recovery mode for you in case you get stuck in there. So that's basically it. And right now let's switch back to our laptop. And now the first way we can enter the recovery mode on this laptop is by holding down the right shift button. So hold it down, then select power options, then go to power, select start menu, go to power options, select restart, and then keep your shift button held until your device is restarted. After your device restarts, you will see please wait sign on your screen. At this point, you can release the right shift button and wait until your device boots into recovery mode. Here we're gonna have to basically select any option that we need. Fortunately, we can use our touchpad in here. So just go wherever you need to go and do whatever you need to do. Now I'm just gonna go back to the first screen and select turn off this PC to show you the second method of how we can enter the recovery mode. So in case your device is switched off and you cannot access your system, then to start the recovery mode, you're gonna have to short press the power button once and then start repeatedly pressing F11 button. And once you see please wait sign on your screen again, this means that your device is entering the recovery mode. So right now let's wait until we are in the recovery mode, and it's basically the same menu. So it's the second way that we can enter it. So right now let's go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and here we'll select startup settings and see if this triggers the BitLocker. So let's restart the PC and see what happens. I suspect that this time nothing will happen. Yeah. So BitLocker didn't get triggered, but just in case BitLocker gets triggered on your PC, you know what to do. So let me just press enter to return to the Windows, and this will be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your HP Pavilion 16. First of all, make sure that devices around you can freely use your Wi-Fi router, so your smartphone, your tablet, etc., your PC maybe. And if they all do, then the first thing that you're gonna have to do on your laptop is toggle the airplane mode in the control center. To open the control center, just click these three icons on your taskbar, and then click on the airplane mode. Then let it stay for around maybe 5 seconds, and then click on it once again to let your device reestablish network connections. Next, what we can do if we still don't have the network connection is right-click the Wi-Fi icon, select go to settings, then select network and internet to go to the previous menu, and then select advanced network settings. And here we're gonna have to select network reset and reset now, then yes, and then close. Then go to Start menu and restart your computer by going to Power Options and selecting Restart. Once the laptop is restarted, let's sign into our account again. Then right-click your internet icon. Or no, right now, just open your control center once again, and then click the arrow icon next to Wi-Fi icon. And then select your Wi-Fi network and reconnect to it. Enter the password once again, press enter, then see if the Wi-Fi works properly right now. And if not, what we can do instead is right-click. Usually there would be a Wi-Fi icon, but for some weird reason I have a LAN connection icon. So right-click your internet icon right here, and then select Diagnose Network Problems. So here you'll see different troubleshooting steps. Just go through all of them to fix this issue, except for the ones that we have already tried. And if none of them help you, then that means that we simply need to reinstall the Wi-Fi drivers. So in order to do this, we're gonna need some device with internet connection, some PC with internet connection to be more precise. And on this PC, we're gonna have to open a web browser and then search for support.hp.com website. So enter this address into your path field. And then on this website, we're gonna have to select drivers and software, then select laptop. Let me turn off this magnifier. And here we're gonna have to enter the serial number of the laptop. To find the serial number of your laptop, just take a look at the back side of it. It will be barely visible, but I hope that you will be able to see something. So right here, we'll be able to find our serial number. However, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to show it to you. Just take a closer look here and you'll find a SN and the digits coming after it. So just save the serial number somehow, take a photo of it, or maybe write it down somewhere, and then re-enter this website and enter this serial number into this field. Since I'm doing this on the same HP laptop, I'm just gonna click let HP detect your product. And then what we're gonna need to do is, well, in this case, wait until this laptop is detected, then select this laptop right here, then select the operational system version. So for me, it will be Windows 11, and then the version doesn't really matter. We can go with any of them and click Submit. Then scroll down to driver-network, and here we'll find various drivers. Now we are looking for either MediaTek wireless LAN driver or Realtek wireless LAN driver. But for some reason I don't see the one that I'm thinking about. But we can try a different one. So download the wireless LAN drivers we have right here. I cannot exactly tell you which one to download, but if you have an Intel processor on your laptop, then you're gonna have to search for the Intel driver, and I don't think that there would be such a fuss and so many different drivers. The next thing that we're gonna have to do is transfer both of these files, or one of these files if you only have one WLAN driver on this page. Transfer these files to this PC and then run both of them. Just run one of these files, then accept the license agreement, click Next, and after that the installation process should start if your driver is outdated. And after that, your Wi-Fi driver should be, after the installation process is finished, your Wi-Fi driver should be updated to the latest version. Then you're just gonna have to go to the Start menu again, Power Options, select Restart, and let your laptop restart. And after the restart, your Wi-Fi should start working normally. And so that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update drivers on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So if you have just installed Windows 11 on your laptop, the first thing that you're going to have to update is your Windows and the most initial components of it. To do that, go to the Start menu on your computer, then open Settings. In Settings, select Windows Update on the sidebar, and check if your device has prepared downloads for you, updates for you. Then click Download and Install All right here. Let's wait until the device checks for updates again. And then after clicking Install All, we're gonna have to wait until these initial updates are downloaded and installed. Besides, once they are, we can go to Advanced Options, then go to Optional Updates, then find driver updates here, select the driver updates that we want to download and install, then click respective icon right here. And now let's wait until it's all finished. Okay, and once your Windows installs all the required updates, you may have to restart your computer afterwards. If so, you'll be notified by Windows itself, and then we're gonna have to download and install some more relevant, some drivers more relevant to our HP laptop. And to find them, the easiest way will be using my HP Support Assistant application. On some laptops, this app will be pre-installed, so you can search for it in the apps menu in the start menu. And if you don't have it, we can download it from the official HP website. So let's open a web browser and search for HP Support Assistant. Now you're gonna find this web page, and here we're gonna have to select download HP Support Assistant 9, then wait until this file is downloaded on your PC and open it. Click yes, click next, accept the license agreement, next, next again, and then wait until HP Support Assistant turns on. Okay, so right now we're gonna have to wait until this program is installed. And once it is, we can run the HP Support Assistant app and wait another moment until it's prepared. Okay, and right now let's open this app in full window menu. So we can sign in to our HP account, but we don't really have to do this. We don't need to do this. We can instead click continue as guest. Let's hit the check boxes and click continue. And now here, let's select the update section and let this program check for available updates for your laptop. And once it finds the available driver updates, just select the ones that you want to install on your computer, and then click download and install right here, confirm, and then wait until the drivers are downloaded and installed. Sometimes we may have to interfere during the installation process. What I mean by that is that we're gonna have to manually click next, next, next install in each window we receive, but some drivers will be installed automatically. So right now let's just wait, and if something happens, I will show you what to do in this case. Okay, so first two drivers were updated, but Precision Touchpad driver failed. Maybe because of some sort of the interference. We can check it once again and try to download and install it once again. Maybe this driver was installed in the Windows Update menu, and right now we just can't reinstall it from here. Okay, no, right now we can. So, as I told you before, sometimes we may have to manually install the driver. Just click next and agree to the license terms. Okay. Now let's wait a moment. Okay, and The drivers are installed successfully. However, I just received a notification about the need to restart my PC. So let me just go to the Start menu, then Power Options, and then Restart. And this way, we will apply all the changes required for the drivers to work properly. Okay, so the system is fully updated right now, and right now at the end of this video I also want to show you how to update some specific elements of your hardware. First of all, to check which elements of your hardware require an update, go to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, then open it, and here next to some elements next to some hardware elements of your computer, you may see the yellow triangle with the exclamation mark inside of it. So you may see an icon of a hardware element and the yellow triangle with exclamation mark inside of it. This will mean that your device's driver is outdated, and in order to download and install a specific driver for this element, we're going to have to go to the web browser and then search for support.hp.com website. So just enter this web address in here and press enter. After that, we're gonna have to select software and drivers. Just let me change the language. Select software and drivers, then select laptop, then select let HP detect your product, or if you are doing this from another device, then you're gonna have to enter your HP laptop's serial number. You can check your serial number either on the back side of your laptop or in BIOS. Click OK. Then wait until your laptop is detected. And now select your device right here and check your, first select your operational system, so Windows 11, then select the Windows 11 version from this list and click Submit. And then select the specific driver that you want to install on your device. So for example, it can be AMD Neural Processor Unit. Just click download next to it, and you will download this sp-something.exe file. And if you run it on your HP laptop, click yes, then next, and accept the terms and license agreement, then click next. Then wait until your driver is downloaded. If this driver is outdated on your laptop, then the installation process for the driver update will begin automatically. But if it didn't, you can still update the driver for your hardware element by right-clicking your hardware element and selecting Update Driver. Then browse My Computer for drivers, and then click Browse. Then go to disk C, which is the default directory, disk C, then SW setup, and then select your driver that you want to install. Then click OK, and then next, and then if in case your driver needs an update, it will be installed, and then you're going to have to restart your computer once again to update your driver. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.